Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix car Bluetooth is not playing songs from your iPhone and how we can fix it. So this might be happening for many of the users, and if you're having this trouble, this is what we have to do. The first one is all about we have to go over here in the settings. Now from here go to the Bluetooth over here. Now the first and foremost step is make sure that if you're trying to connect the Bluetooth over here on your iPhone wirelessly, then you have to make sure that the right device is selected over here. As you can see, I'm having a lot of these, so make sure that I have to show the connection is proper. So make sure that, for example, in my case, I'm having a car that called Seltos. So make sure that you connect to the right device over here. Then you have to check with this is the first and foremost step. After the right device is connected, the next thing, there is no kind of music or something when you're trying to play if it's not getting detected. Sometimes the issues might be with the app. So if you're, for example, if you're trying to use it with the Spotify, the reason might be with the app, not with your iPhone. So if that is the case, you have to use an alternative device as well. Which means if you're using Spotify, if it's not working, try using YouTube Music or something. Try with this an alternative app that might fix it, because that particular app might be having any kind of glitch or bug. That is the reason why this is happening, and you have to check. Even after trying with the YouTube Music, you tried with the Spotify, some of these are well known, and still if you're having the trouble, then what you need to do is you have to just uninstall these apps. For example, if you're having trouble with the YouTube Music, just remove it from here or uninstall the app, then reinstall it back and you have to check. Or parallelly, what you can do is you can just go over here. Then from here you have to go to the App Store. Once you get into the App Store, you have to click on the profile over here at the top. Now from here, if you scroll it down, you can see you might be having some pending updates and all this. If you click on update all, you'll be having these apps getting updated. Or you can click on the more here, so you'll be having some apps that might be having this issue as well. So just update the app or reinstall and install back, and you have to check. So these are the 2 steps you need to try when it comes to this, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.